Well, hello guys, this is Keen and he's from Liverpool, UK, and this is Sid from Turkey. Sid from Turkey.
Josh and Mark with me. Guys, we've got Kisay and Ismail.
Gift from Malawi, Africa with me. We've got Marina from Israel. Commonly mispronounced. Let's see how they pronounce it. This word, people are very confused about this word back in India. So
Schedule.
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 Schedule. Schedule. Schedule.
I'd say schedule.
Schedule.
Yeah.
And you?
Schedule.
Schedule. Yeah. And I think there are different ways to pronounce this word. Some people say schedule.
Yeah.
You say schedule.
Schedule, yeah.
That's more American. What do you think?
That's how I say it.
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe growing up with like American TV on the
Yeah, I understand. I get it.
Entrepreneur.
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 What about this word?
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
yeah.
Entrepreneur.
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 Yeah, because in its British accent, you don't have the R. The R is silent. In American, it becomes entrepreneur with an R, right? Okay, cool. What about the next one?
Genre. Genre.
Okay.
Genre.
Genre.
Right.
Genre. Genre.
Genre.
Genre.
Genre.
Yeah.
Genre.
Genre.
You know how we mispronounce it?
How to say?
We say genre. Genre.
Genre.
It's genre. It's genre, not genre. It's genre.
Yeah.
All right.
And this one?
Economy. Economy.
Economy.
Economy.
Economy.
Economy.
Yeah.
Economy.
Economy.
Economy. And this
Economic.
one? Oh, you got that right. Spot on, absolutely. Because, people, economy and economic, how they mispronounce it? By stressing the wrong syllable. They say, some people say economy. No, it's economy.
Purchase.
Purchase.
Yeah,
Purchase.
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 This is a very simple word, but most of us Indians, we tend to mispronounce this word.
Purchase. Purchase.
Purchase.
Purchase.
Perfect. It's purchase. Yeah, you're doing great because
I'm on a roll here.
You are. Purchase, not purchase.
So the next one?
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday it is.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Perfect.
Wednesday.
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 Wednesday. Beverage.
Beverage. Beverage. Beverage.
Beverage.
And this
Beverage.
one? Beverage.
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 Yeah.
Beverage. You know how we say it, like how we wrongly.
Beverage.
Though it's like we mostly refer these to alcoholic drinks, but it includes everything. Everything, any drink. But നമ്മള് കൂടുതലും ഈ ബെവറേജ് എന്ന വാക്ക് ആൽക്കഹോളിക് ഡ്രിങ്ക്സ് ആയിട്ട് അസോസിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാറ്. പക്ഷെ അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമില്ല. എല്ലാ ഡ്രിങ്ക്സും വെള്ളം ഒഴിച്ചിട്ട് ലൈക്ക് എക്സെപ്റ്റ് വാട്ടർ എവറിഥിങ് ഇസ് ബെവറേജ്, റൈറ്റ്? വെള്ളം ഒഴിച്ചിട്ട് എല്ലാ ഡ്രിങ്ക്സും ബെവറേജ് ആണ്. ആൻഡ് വി ടെൻഡ് ടു മിസ്പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് ബീവറേജ്. ബീവറേജ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് ബീവറേജ് അല്ല, ബെവറേജ് ആണ്.
And this one? Mechanism.
Mechanism. Mechanism. The mechanism.
Oh, mechanism.
Mechanism.
Mechanism it is, not mechanism. We tend to
Yeah.
mechanism. It's mechanism.
Yeah, mechanism.
And this is a very simple
Mechanism.
word. Mechanism. And we have a tendency of elongating the second syllable, like mechanism. That's how some people pronounce it.
It's a word?
Yeah, that's a word.
Ooh, I don't know how to pronounce that, my friend. Flock.
That's okay.
Flossina.
This word was...
Nilification.
Yeah, it's Flockinog... No. Mark?
Flocking or chin hippification. How would you say it?
This is an actual English word and it was popularized
Can
by...
you say it?
It's floxinosinihilipilification.
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 I'm not making myself look stupid saying that. It means deeming something as worthless. That's what it means.
That's worthless.
Worthless, yeah.
Never heard of that.
Okay, Mark and Josh, I had fun interacting with you guys on this video.
Thank you.
That was a great game. You guys did well.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
All right, Keen. I had fun talking to you, and I think our audience
Thank
will
you for
love
having
having you on our platform. And thank you, Sid. It was really a pleasure working with you on this video. Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.
English House. English at your fingertips.